So children, in this video, I'll be taking up with the topic human evolution. So it is only simple concept that they have given in your syllabus. So how do we trace evolutionary relationship? So it is based on three reasons, that is excavating, okay, and time dating and studying of fossils. So as well as determining DNA sequences also. So these have been used for studying human evolution. Okay, as we know, so human is a great diversity. So there is a great diversity of human forms and also features across a planet, isn't it? So much that from long time, so people used to talk about human races like skin color. That used to be the commonest way of identifying this so-called races. Some will be like brown in color, some will be black, some will be yellowish brown, okay, some will be fair in color, right? Somewhere like that is what yellow, some will be black, brown. A major question that is debated for a long time was, have these apparent groups evolved differently? So over recent years, the evidence has become very clear. The answer is that there is no biological basis to the notion of human races. So all humans are a single species. That is, so what is the species name for human beings? That is Homo sapiens. Okay. So there is no such difference. Okay. So we all belong to one species, that is Homo sapien. Isn't it? So the earliest members of human species, that is Homo sapiens, can be traced in Africa. Okay, so our genetic footprints can be traced back to our African roots. So a couple of 100,000 years ago, some of our ancestors left Africa while others stayed in the same place. Okay, so while the residents spread across the Africa, so the migrants slowly they spread across the planet. Okay, from Africa to West Asia. So there was a migration from Africa to West Asia. Okay, so then to Central Asia. Then they migrated to Central Asia. Clear? So first migrant was seen in Africa. So first spot out can be seen in Africa. Later they migrated to West Asia, then to Central Asia, then to Eurasia, okay, then to South Asia, then to East Asia. So the migrants were like all over the world, all over the planet. So they traveled down the islands of Indonesia later and the Philippines to Australia, and they crossed the Bering Land Bridge to the Americas. Okay, so they did not go in a single line. So they were not traveling for the sake of traveling. Okay, so they went forwards and backwards with the groups, sometimes separating from each other, sometimes coming back to mix with each other, even moving in and out of Africa. So like all other species on the planet, they had come into being as an accident of evolution. So I hope you can understand this concept. I was just reading the paragraph. So what is exactly here is, so human evolution can be studied by excavating, studying fossils, determining DNA sequences. So first Homo sapiens was spot out, genetic thing was spot out in Africa. So later from Africa there were a migration to different places, as I mentioned previously. Okay, so later they started evolving. Okay, so the color of humans, it is just because of the factor of environment. So environment where they are living, so matters a lot. So but still we belong to one species, that is Homo sapiens. Okay, so this is about human evolution. Okay children, so here I have completed your chapter heredity and evolution. So I have already said what are the basic concepts that has been deleted from this chapter, that is basic concepts about evolution. That thing has been deleted in this particular chapter. No need to concentrate on that. So leaving that, you read other topics. Okay, so I'll be sending worksheet. Do solve it and have a good day. See you all, children.